I'm Mark Kavanaugh for Kavi Coaches, and today I'm going to coach you up on making a quiz assignment. So we want to create a quiz assignment. So where are we going to find that? We're going to go to the classwork page. We click on classwork. And where are we going to find the quiz assignment? Well, we're going to find it under the create button. So we're going to go down to quiz assignment, and it opens this very familiar window that we check out, creating an assignment, to find out what all of these tabs on the right side do. So we're going to go ahead and give this a generic name. We'll just call it quiz. And along with the quiz, we can also give instructions if the students need further instructions beyond what you have in the quiz. We can also click on add and add things from Google Drive, link a file or a YouTube video that would be posted here along with the quiz, so it wouldn't be in the quiz. I could also create a separate document with using docs, slide sheets, drawings, or forms that I can just click and add from here, and it automatically will save that file to your Google Drive. So we're going to look at some features for the quiz. So we have this blank quiz here, and we can see that we've got a couple options that we did not have with creating assignments. As we can see over here, we've got this lock mode on Chromebooks. So if you're a Chromebook school, what that does for you is that means that the students, when they use this take these on a Chromebook, that means they will not have access to any other tabs other than the quiz that is being taken. So you can scroll over to the I, and it talks about that information. If I click on the X, it'll delete and get rid of the blank quiz, and then the quiz will not be attached there. You also have this grade importing as an option, which will automatically upload the grade to your Google Classroom gradebook, and we'll do a separate video on gradebooks. So we're going to go ahead and click on the blank quiz, and I'll show you quickly how to create a question. We're going to do a whole series on Google Forms, and we'll look more into Google Forms at that time. So you can see the lock mode is on for Chromebooks. We can change that right here if we wanted to, but we're going to go ahead and type a quick question, and I'll show you how to create multiple choice question. So I have options for the type of question that I want. I can select this drop down. I've got short answer, a paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes if I want multiple choices, and drop down. The others we'll talk about when we do our Google Forms series. So now I'm going to go ahead and make some answer choices. I just highlight and I type one of the answer choices that I want. Once I've typed the answer choice, I hit enter, and it creates another option. Type another answer choice, hit enter, and continue to do that. If I accidentally create one too many, I have the X's on the right hand side that I can just click, and that'll delete one of the answer choices. So now we want to make this a required question. That way the students don't skip it. And then we're going to create the answer key for this. So I'm going to go ahead, couple options. I can select the number of points first of all that I want it to be out of. So I'll make this out of 5 points. And then I can select the correct answer. So let's select fast as our correct answer. I can also enter feedback for the students so that they can reference something to help them understand why their answer was incorrect if they made mistakes, so you can automatically provide feedback. So we go back to the question. We can see now down here, this question is worth 5 points, and the green check mark meaning correct is next to fast. We can add a second question, third question, just by simply clicking on this plus sign, and that'll add a question. And we can do the same process, create a question, add anything that we want to. So I'm going to go ahead and give this quiz a name. We'll just call it quiz for generic. And then we go back to the tab in Google Classroom. Now don't be panicked if the name didn't change here, because we haven't refreshed this page yet. So we want to assign this, so we have the same options, assign, schedule, and save draft, as we did when we created an assignment. So I'm going to go ahead and click on assign. And now I can see that it automatically brings me back to the classwork page. I can see my quiz is here. When I click on the button to drop it down, I can see that the name changed to quiz, and I don't have any turned in or any assigned. Now I can go check this also in my to review page, check out grading assignments video for that. Congratulations, you just created your first quiz assignment in Google Classroom. Have a great day, and even better tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Kavi Coaches, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter @Kavi Coaches.